Hello guys, today I'm making a video. I'm making an airplane video. What's this called? Me? Me? I don't know if it's me. Okay, I'm so confused. Is he talking to someone else or talking to me? I don't know. I've been talking a little bit and I asked who wants to be in my video and I don't know if they say yes. Sometimes they don't want to say yes, sometimes I don't mind if you don't want. I'll just say one more time, who wants to be in my video? What's the beat? What's the beat in my video? I want to do this because I want to meet you guys and be friends and to have fun with you guys. So I'm going to join here. I don't know if we can. Mother, get out. It's okay if you don't want to go. It's okay if you don't want to be with me. Okay, I'm saying come so they can come. I'm recording too. Oh, someone else is recording when I'm recording. Oh, this is so sweet. Oh, I want you to play with me and be friends with you guys. Also, you could be my friend. I would love to be your friend. And wait, what he says? What? I'll say what? No, I'm not doing it. Okay. What's my number? Oh wait, it's not a number this time. It's a name. What's my name? Oh wait, here it is. What? Okay. I hope you guys enjoy playing with me. So, I may play with you guys. Sometimes I may play with you guys, not sometimes. And there's a lot of noise in here, so don't get distracted, okay guys? What did someone say? She says, you're evil. Who's me? Someone said you're evil. That's so rude. What did he say? You're evil. Someone say you're evil. Okay, I don't know. Okay, let's just have fun in here and not be rude. If this server gets to be rude. Wait, what? He said he killed. Wait, he was killed by a monster. He was killed by a monster. That's sad, I will say. That's sad. You guys don't have to join with you guys don't have to join the game with me if you don't want. It's okay. But I just want to have fun with you guys. It says what? It was fun. It was fun. It's my first time playing on an airplane. It was fun. It is alone. It's unknown. Is anyone else? What? Anyone what? Okay. I don't know what to do here. It says I've been informed with the president again in the waiting for. Oh, so we have to go to the room. Okay. Can anyone see that? What? See what? I didn't. Oh, here you are. Can I get in? Once I was playing a game, and it was like the door was like this, and then I was like right here, and then it opened, and then like I got stuck inside. Hey, what? Who's A's? I say. Wait, how do you spell it? Oh my. Oh, wait, he says move, please. He just moved. Okay, water, water, water. Okay, who's the president? Okay, I'll just sit down here. There's something you must know before that. What is it? I want to know. The president is very special. He gets mad very easily. Oh, that's really. Please do everything we say and do not cause any kind of trouble in the airplane. Okay, we will try. That's all. Can I get some water? I'm really thirsty. Wait. Yeah, me too. Okay, I wrote 2. Oh, what did you done, you? You ruined this. What? How about you? Oh, not me, okay. Please find something to clean. Okay, no, I don't want to die. I don't want to die tonight. Or today. I don't know why I said tonight. It's not even daytime. Look, it's like, wait. It's like it's not even nighttime, it's daytime. Oh, pick up the glass you threw. President is ready now. Okay, go. I hope I don't get pushed by the door again. Like another game that I did. And it was really hard to get out, but I finally got out. And it took like 1 hour me to get out. And my battery is like really low. And I hope you saw the video, the gacha video that I made. How do you say it? How do you say it? I keep forgetting what's the name of the channel. No, wait, what? I'm sorry. It's the habit. What? Oh my god, you're so rude. My name is Ronald. I am president of the Roblox. Is Donald. It's true, it's Donald. Cause look, you have green. I mean, you have blonde hair. I don't know why I say green. Okay, we have the delicious. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. I hope he doesn't give me. The food is not ready yet. Oh my god. The food is not ready yet. I believe the chef messed up. Throw out that chef off the plane. Why? We will take care of him, Mr. President. Pick me. Yeah. No, I'm not cooking. I'm really bad at cooking. My mom says, cook right now. You have to cook right now. Because I'm already big enough to cook. And no, what? If I don't cook, I'm going to get thrown out. That's so rude. Just because I don't want to, just because I'm a little girl. Oh, wait. What is it? I need it. I'll tell you the ingredients. And you have to find them and drop them into the soup. What happens if I drop myself in the soup? By accident. If you grab the wrong ingredient, throw it in the trash. I thought he said, if you got the wrong ingredient, you're in trouble. Are you ready? Girl, I know how to cook. Soup needs butter. Where's butter? Where's butter? That soup needs salt. Well, that was close. I'm scared. Grapes? What type of salad or soup is this? The soup needs pepper. Where's the pepper? Where's the pepper? Oh, here it is. That was so close. What is that? That was so close. I almost died because I said, where's the pepper? Where's the pepper? Wait, that's how you call it, right? Pepper. I don't know how. I hope I made a good food. Okay, I'm too close. It looks delicious. I'm a chef. Like a delicious. I make delicious food. What to say? Oh, no, super sad. I'm sitting right here. I'm sitting right here. Okay, this boy decides to sit next to me. It says it looks delicious. Everybody take a seat. Oh yeah, it does. Except for the grape that I put inside by accident. That is juice, like sweet juice. Like, you know, candy or like medicine. Some medicine are grapes. And who wants a soup with grapes on there? Ew. I'm having the chills right now. Ew. If you guys want me to react to scary videos, funny videos, extra really weird videos, or something else, tell me down below. Okay, he should meet up again to presidents. Okay, let's go. Oh wait, just no. Let's go right now. Okay. I'm going to get crazy. Oh, it is the cook shop. I don't know why I said cook shop. Do I remember, like when I was little, I used to like do cook shop with my teacher, but not anymore. I don't know why they stopped it. I think. Please follow. Welcome to the computer room. I like computers. I wish I had one. My dad says if I behave good and do my things or do my homework, I might get one of these computers. They're really expensive, I think. Yeah. I used to have one and then I broke it by accident. I used to have a tablet and then I broke it by accident. My fault. Really long story. And long and short story. I was up in my I had like a bunk bed and I accidentally threw the tablet off the bunk bed and then it splattered everywhere. You know, the screen turn really broken. I want yellow. What's the yellow one? Where's yellow? Okay, you change. Okay. Whoa. We really need to work on in that code. Yeah, you do, cause look, we did it on yellow. Yes, president. Oh, president. You still look mad. What happened to you? It's because I made the soup really disgusting. I found the key. There was keys. Why are you hiding keys from us? Is it from secret doors? Are you hiding secret doors from us? I had to get everything ready. What you say? Had to that you are so suspicious. Anyways, our very special. For some reason, I can't find the key. I found the key. I found the key. What? My face is there. I'm saying that. And then he says, "Great, let's go." What is this? A glitch or something? Bedroom. Jump. I like jumping. Hi, jump. Oh, you took us over the bed. Jump. Okay. jump, jump,
Dame la llave que está ahí.
jump, jump,
Ahí, donde está mi maquillaje, está la
jump,
llave.
jump, jump,
Donde
jump,
está maquillaje, está la llave.
jump, jump.
Ya me voy.
Okay, it says I'll give you guys time to get comfy. Okay, thank you. This is a big TV. I like TVs. Can you buy me a TV, please? I really have a big TV right now, and it gets me a lot of internet. I could watch YouTube, Netflix, and things like that. And I really appreciate. I can't even talk that well. Okay, I think I should learn a little bit more English and more Spanish too, cause cause I'm really bad at talking. I can't sleep. There's something about me. Me too. That scares me, I said. Me too. I'm cold. What? Me too, I'm cold. There's no reason for that. What is that? Ew! Well, mommy. Oh no, it's the monster. Ew, it looks so. Okay, I want to die. Please let me out. Please let me out. Please, it says, did you forget about me earlier? Run! No, I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. No, I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I don't want to die in this life. I really had future. I really wanted to be a YouTuber. I'm already a YouTuber, so. But I want to get a lot of subscribers. So that. What do I get up here? Okay, I made it. I don't know how. And I really like this sloth. It looks so cute. But a little bit creepy. And I'm gonna see it. Someone just died. Are we safe now? No, I'm dying here. The floor. No. We're ready, huh? Oh, we have the same. We have the same sloth. Oh. Okay, that's my brother who said ow. I don't know why. The fire's gone. What has happened? I don't know. Maybe it's because it's scary here. Please don't go down. I'll go. I'll pick the phone up. Hello? Just in case I'm going to be up here. Hey guys. I'm glad you picked up. Oh, that's the Pollock. Katie? Katie. Okay, it's Kaylee instead. I said Katie. It's Katie. Katie. You don't say. It's really scary. And I'm cold right now. Real life, I'm cold. I can't tell you much the phone. I need you guys to come to the Pollock. The problem is the door locked. Just give me a minute while I'll try to unlock it. Okay, that was my mom talking. My brother doesn't leave me alone. And I'm trying to make a video. Is this no? Who says no? Who says no to me? I'm the princess here. You will not escape from this. Mwahaha. 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 No, don't let him catch you. Oh, he's right here. I'm scared. I'm scared from this monster. I'm scared that he catches me. Please don't catch me. Okay, he didn't catch me. He didn't catch me. Oh. Okay, I'm here. Ah, no! No, I died. I died, guys. I'm sorry. I failed you. I failed you. I died. I died. I died. I was close to win and go to heaven. Oh, I died. I'm in heaven right now. I don't know why. Wait, can you use this? I really know.
You all brought like 1,000 of food.
I really want to know. Ooh. Okay, yeah, this does work. I'm scared. Join Thanos and be invisible. Okay, I'm going to end this video right now. I hope you like this video and subscribe. If you want to join me in the game, tell me down below and comment your username, and I'm going to comment my username for you guys to play with me and be friends and chat. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe and like this video. Bye.